Creating multicolor prints can be a lot of fun, and it can help enhance the learning for your students, whether you're doing it on something that has letters or numbers just so they're easier to read, or even something like a topographic map in which different layers of the map are done in different colors so students can see the elevation lines very easily. Now, whenever you want to do a multicolor print, it's as easy as changing filament mid-print. Now, the tough part is watching to see when you want to change your filament. When it gets to that correct layer, and I can see it's made it there now, you simply pause your printer, wait for it to stop moving, and then when it's finished that process, you can click on the three little dots on the E3, and on the E3 Pro, you also click on that button in the bottom right-hand corner and tell it to change filament. Once you've changed out the filament, simply click Resume Print and it will continue where it left off. At the end, you will end up with an object that has multiple colors of filament, creating one very cool object to use with your students. Thanks for asking!